I collect my DC figures from Dollar General. I pay $1.25 each. I'm going to use epoxy resin to make them last a long time. I also purchase these squeezable bottles for a $1.25. To use as a mold. I cut them a little bit longer than the figures. I place my little figures inside the mold. I purchased the epoxy resin from Amazon for $19. For 16-ounce bottles. It comes with a pair of gloves, sticks, part A and part B. Here I'm mixing the resin with the hardener. It takes 24 hours to get rock solid. I pour it into the mold. This is the first time I make one of these. It doesn't look too bad. But it could be better.